We say that average human being is aware of only 4% potential of his total mind power, and 96% power he is not aware of. He has no access to his own power, which is enormous, which is infinite, which can remove all the miseries, all the pain, all the suffering, which can bring fulfillment in life. But we are not ready to learn the technology of the self. We are so busy in learning the outside technology. Where is the super technology which God has given us, which everyone has the access, free it is given, we are not using. Long back, when we were children, we read a journal and it was mentioned that the computer equivalent to the human mind, if a computer equivalent to the human mind has to be created, then that require 4 buildings similar to Empire State. Some building must be there in USA, Empire State building. They say that 4 buildings are needed to install such a computer. Very interesting, isn't it? Only human mind. But it is not only one mind which you have. It is not only one mind which a human being is having. Every cell in your body, every cell of your body has its own mind. You have the consciousness, and every cell, maybe a little tiny in the hair, also has its own consciousness. And that mind, the cellular mind, what is the power? So the psychology says that it has to have minimum 8 GB, the memory, because every cell has the memory, and it is mentioned it is intracellular memory. Your whole body has the intracellular memory phenomena. Like anybody I have seen people who meet some accident, some trauma, some accident. After that, the medical science has given healing. Physically, there is no problem, but still the pain exists. Still the body is stiff. Still the complication is there. It is the medical science will grow one day where they will have access to the cellular memory and how to erase those cellular memory, the trauma. In Shiva Yoga, we already have the science available with us, where we work at the cellular level to release the intracellular memory. We clean it, we clean that. Now, very interesting, if one cell, very modestly they say, has the 8 GB memory, which certainly, according to Shiva Yoga, is maybe more than 1000 GB or more than that, because even in the tiny cell, every memory of every moment of every life is stored. It is a micro chip which is there in the physical body. And if we calculate how many cells are there in a physical body, hypothetically, they say more than 30 trillion cells. Now, 30 trillion cells, if we agree to 8 GB, 8 GB into 30 trillion, how many GBs memory, the computer power you have only at your cellular level? Forget about that 4 Empire State Building of my total mind power. I'm not talking about my cellular power. And the most interesting thing, the medical science, which says that every cell has a nucleus, and in that nucleus there is a chromosomes, there is a DNA, RNA. Now DNA is like harmonium, those things are there, strands, DNA strands are there. Now out of 100% DNA, every human being has only 3% DNA active. 97% DNA are inactive. And in the medical language, they are called junk DNA. God has not made this body as a junkyard. It is only we have not learned the science of the self.